So well, here we continue, sweating as hell as it's very hot in here this summer in Spain. Well, we are disassembling the full car. One of the things, the rear mirrors, as you can see, why we do all these disassemblies, because you can do non-disassembly and you can paint the car. That's why there are cheap places where they do it cheaper, let's say. Here, let me show you. When I was disassembling, I could see masking tape inside. So this is, I don't know from when, but you can see as they cover it for not to paint it. But well, definitely everything was, you know, paint everywhere. So what we're gonna do, well, as you can see here, also the original foam is also painted. So we're gonna clean all of this stuff, and now we're gonna disassemble the engine for the mirror and then remove this cover and have these two parts totally separated. Well, just wanted to show you and to explain a little bit, that maybe take a little bit more time. You need to study how it works because every car is different, but yeah, I mean, we keep enjoying. We really love that. Now what we're gonna do is covering all the cables so we don't have dust and anything that can be damaged while we are painting and making everything. Look, more masking tape in here. Well, we need to make it shine again. Are you aware that we have an online shop where you can buy a lot of designs of Alcalà Technology? Aren't you? So just click on shop on YouTube. So you go out of the video, shop, and then it will direct you into our shop online where you can buy a lot of different designs that every month and every week we are uploading. Like for example, this one. Here again. So we have these designs. Every month we will have different designs with cars, with the cars that we have done. So it will be really cool and super enjoyable. So let's continue to the video.